Here is at Brownlow Cars in Darlington, newly arrived today. This RE 2015 Mercedes E220 Bluetec AMG Line convertible in sleek black. With just 66,000 miles, this diesel automatic combines performance, efficiency and style. The AMG Line body kit, alloy wheels and premium finish guarantee road presence, while the plush four-seat interior offers heated leather seats, advanced infotainment and effortless roof-down driving at the touch of a button. Powered by a 2.1L engine, it delivers smooth, economical motoring with the reliability you expect from Mercedes. All vehicles come HPI clear, serviced, MOT for 12 months, 3 months warranty, and 1-year breakdown cover. Finance options and nationwide delivery are available, plus part exchange welcome. Buy with confidence. Read our glowing Google reviews. Drive away in style today. Brownlow's Cars, 351 Horton Road, DL1 2BP, Darlington, Durham, United Kingdom.
Brownlow Cars, we believe everyone deserves a chance to drive the dream car. With our hassle-free finance options, bad credit is no problem. The zero deposit finance is available.
We have an amazing selection of cars and commercial vehicles, and every vehicle has our own 3 months warranty and 12 months AA breakdown cover. Visit us today.
351 Horton Road, Darlington, DL1 2BP. Brownlow Cars, the name you can trust.